What is everyone watching Gimbal channel, and in this quick tutorial I will show you how you can fix Samsung Galaxy A02 or A02s Wi-Fi connection problem or Wi-Fi problem. So before starting video, if you are first time on channel, just don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell icon for more latest videos. So if you are facing Wi-Fi connection problem in Samsung Galaxy A02 or A02s, so to fix the issue, first of all you just need to go to settings and then follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video. Hope so this will fix your issue.